The left atrium is the most posterior, thin-walled chamber of the heart. It receives blood from the lungs via 4 pulmonary veins before pushing it into the left ventricle. As we explore the anatomy of the left atrium, we can divide it into 2 parts, a front half and a back half. The front half of the left atrium connects to an outpouching located in the upper part of the left atrium, called the left auricle. Just a quick note, if you want to interact with the heart model on the right in 3D, check our app 3D Heart Anatomy. Or if you want to immerse yourself in anatomy like never before in extended reality, check XR Heart Anatomy, link in the description. The left auricle has a narrow base origin and contains raised muscular bands known as pectinate muscles. The back half of the left atrium is the area where the 4 veins from the lungs connect. This part is smooth and also contains the receiving chamber for the initial segments of these veins. This receiving chamber for the pulmonary veins, known as the sinus of pulmonary veins, is the area where oxygenated blood is first funneled from the lungs into the heart. The pulmonary veins open into this part of the left atrium via 4 openings that are known as the openings of pulmonary veins. In continuation with the sinus of the pulmonary veins is the body of the left atrium. This part represents the area where the collected blood from the lungs is stored temporarily before being pumped into the left ventricle. If we further examine the heart, we note that surrounding the left atrioventricular valve is an area that is known as the vestibule of the left atrioventricular valve. This region acts as a critical juncture for blood flow between the chambers. As a last note, the left atrium is separated from the right atrium by the interatrial septum. This septum serves as an essential barrier, distinguishing the heart's left and right atria. Thus, we conclude our journey through the anatomy of the left atrium. Now let's turn our attention to explore one of the most important chambers of the heart, the left ventricle.